Hey there, fellow time travel enthusiasts. Let's dive into the enthralling world of time travel, one of the most tantalizing concepts in science fiction. Time travel has captured our imaginations for centuries, from H.G. Wells' The Time Machine to blockbuster movies like Back to the Future. But what if I told you that this mind-bending idea isn't just confined to the pages of sci-fi novels or the silver screen? First, let's talk about the science behind it. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity shook the foundations of physics by suggesting that time isn't as rigid as we once thought. According to relativity, time can stretch and contract depending on how fast you're moving relative to something else. This means, theoretically, if you could travel close to the speed of light, you'd experience time slower than someone who remained stationary. It's called time dilation. But what about traveling back in time? This is where things get really tricky. Physicists like Kip Thorne have proposed the concept of wormholes, essentially shortcuts through space-time that could connect distant points in both space and time. Imagine stepping into one of these tunnels and emerging on the other side, perhaps even in a different era. But, and there's always a but, creating and stabilizing a wormhole would require exotic matter with negative energy, something we haven't discovered yet. Now, let's address the paradoxes. One of the most famous is the grandfather paradox. If you travel back in time and prevent your grandparents from meeting, how could you exist to go back in time in the first place? Some theories suggest the timeline would simply correct itself, while others propose the many worlds interpretation. This idea posits that every decision creates a branching timeline, so by changing the past, you'd create an entirely new parallel universe. But time travel isn't just a playground for theoretical physicists. Philosophers and writers have also pondered its implications on free will and destiny. If you could see the future, would it be set in stone, or could you change it? And if you did, what would be the consequences? These questions blur the lines between science and philosophy, making time travel a truly interdisciplinary topic. So, is time travel possible? The answer is maybe. The science is tantalizingly close, but we're not quite there yet. Until we unlock the mysteries of time, we'll have to satisfy ourselves with the incredible stories that time travel inspires. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the fabric of time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating explorations into the unknown. Until next time, keep dreaming big, because the future is full of endless possibilities. Catch you later, time travelers.